Hello people, so we're live on the charts with Nasdaq, US Tech. I've drawn a box around the range of the last 15 hours or so, or more, 10 hours, 15 hours. We'll attempt to do something like this. As you can see, there's two order blocks there, well, mainly this one, that's what I'm looking at, and there's liquidity. So we expect some swiping of liquidity, so perhaps something like this, and that's what we'll try to trade. But we won't try. But if it plays out, we will trade it and see how it works out. So what we want is a rise above this liquidity, right, into the order block, back down here, a little retest, and that's when we will enter on the retest. Now while we wait for Nasdaq to reach the top and grab the liquidity, this is a buy limit that I've had set up. Today is Powell's speech, and I really doubt he will cut interest rates, so gold will skyrocket most likely. As you can see, it's a descending channel, which is a bullish pattern, right? So it wiped those lows, it's wiped this low. Now for it to touch the bottom of the channel, we'll have to wipe this low, which will also be a liquidity grab, before moving all the way up. And I've set the take profit at 3368. There's a huge order block at 370. We will target the order block, and if it does break through the channel and start going down, the stop loss is at 312, entry at 320. So let's see how this plays out also. Okay, we are getting there. Patience is key, as you probably already know. Okay, we'll get back to this once there's a little more action. So now, while we're at it, I'll do a long scalp right about here. Take profit to where we are going. Stop loss just below here. So normally when it goes past the today's high, comes back to retest it and then goes up. Let's increase it a little bit. Might carry on going up. Never know with this thing. We'll see how it reacts. Always a possibility that will go up. So let's set the take profit quite high, just in case. Increase the stop loss a little bit and give it some breathing space, as there's a few order blocks right there. Now if it reacts here, we'll close that and look for the short. Let's go. Let's see what happens. From my experience, if it rejects this today's high, it's very likely that it will not react here. Well, it will react, but it will not come down this low. And that's from my experience anyway, so I'm gonna be very careful with it now. Well, hello. Yeah, it's reacted. As you can see, there's no bias. Whatever. Well, if it goes up, we'll make money. If it reacts to those areas, we'll also make money, because we'll short it. Setting break even now. Don't forget, setting break even is very important. Oh, look at this. Doesn't look like it wants to come down. We're really going for it, aren't we? 30-minute time frame. Let's go down to 15 minutes. Yep, very nice order block there. Okay, so for now we can forget this. This is Nasdaq. Don't forget, anything's possible. With this strong move up, yeah, I don't think it's not coming down. And gold's gone for a ride. Don't know where gold's heading, but it looks like it's heading to the moon. Okay, so break even is set. There we go. See what happens. Well, it's gone up about 200 points already, and we just entered the trade. Called it a sniper entry, eh? And you see, we went from going for a short to going long big time. You never know, we might just hit take profit really soon, and that will be 400 points. Whoa, quick and easy money. Well, hello. Earlier it just missed my buy limit. I put it a little bit below the order block because I thought it will touch the channel, the bottom of the channel. Hey, can't get it right every time, eh? Well, my order at first was at 22, I think, and then I lowered it a bit because I thought, no, it will go lower. Now look at that sniper entry, it would have been wow. Never mind, we got this one. And I was ready to make a liquidity grab video, hey? Turned out into something else. Into a shot to the moon. Well, here we go. It's needed there. Will it reach there? Of course it fucking will. Well, I don't think there's going to be many under 18s learning to trade anyway, so yeah. Let's have some fun. Look at this shit. Liquidity grab my ass. I guess this was the liquidity grab. Lovely. We'll get back to and look at gold. It's hurting my feelings. Oh man. Look at that. Missed it by 20 pips. And it's at nearly at take profit. Like this crazy amount. From here, from like 500 pips in minutes. Thank you, Powell. Well, no thank you, but anyway. It's fun to watch. Let's go, baby. We'll see what we can muster up after this. Now, it could do a retest of around this zone. Maybe not. We shall see. It's super bullish anyway. Now let's do some further analysis of what can we expect today. Okay. We are nearly at take profit. Let's hit an order block, bearish order block. It will most likely be short-lived. To be honest, going for shorts with this kind of pump is quite scary. No matter how much you're trading with or what you're risking, still it's not nice. And we'll definitely have a reaction here, maybe to here. So perhaps something like this. Carry on, new record highs. We shall see. Might attempt this short here, risking 1%. Keep that in mind. Okay, let's go for take profit. Look at this bitch. 500 pips in 40 minutes or 1 hour, nearly 1 hour, 50 minutes. Crazy stuff. Anyway, let's stick to our baby for now. Okay, guys. So it just missed my entry point for the second position, as you can see, by peanuts, shall I say. And a minute ago I closed my buy pretty much at the top where it got to. It might not keep going up, it might keep going up. Let's not risk it. That's some crazy profit I've made with a tiny account. It went up how much? Nearly 400 points. Or 400 points, man. What was the entry? The entry was 187. I closed it at about 570. So 400 points. 400 points in an hour and a half. It's not bad. Of course, this doesn't happen all the time. Yes, it rarely happens. This clean and this perfect. Look at the position. Literally just opened and it just shot up. It is ridiculous. Anyway, so we'll delete these. Beautiful. Now, what we're looking for, let's see, what is Bitcoin doing? Okay, Bitcoin's skyrocketing as well. I'm gonna look for a small short at this order block at 379, 380. And then we'll look for a proper short about here. Order block at 404, something like that, 400. Let's see what happens. I'll record them too. Okay guys, so as you can see, we've got a nice order block there, 30 minute, 15 minute, not 1 hour. Okay, so 15 minute, 5 minutes a bit higher, 1 minute is a bit higher as well. So let's stick to 15 minutes. I'm going for the sell here. Could it drop to 51? Anything's fucking possible. Let's increase it a little bit. Hopefully we'll go into profit. Let's just and we'll close it, set break even, and see what happens. Okay, so we are about to hit the sell limit. Let's see if I'm right on this one. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I just wanted to show you that I use channels a lot to see what will happen, because as you know, this is a ascending channel, right, which is a bearish pattern, and a descending channel, if it was going the other way, it's a bullish pattern, as I've showed you earlier. Now another person, this is, don't forget, a 1 minute time frame. Moves are very quick here. Now another person would have entered because they saw this drop, right? But you know what, I'll wait it out because the order block is right there. Now it might not touch it and it might just drop through now, but I'm gonna be patient and wait. We've got nothing but time. Okay, so I've entered a short right here. Second, let me confirm. The short is at 3376. So right here, the stop loss is the same, and I'm still keeping the sell limit open, just in case it does go up a tiny bit, because anything's possible, and just in case it doesn't go up, as I'm only risking tiny amounts. And I'm only going to show you the baby account that I'm doing this with. I'm not going to show you a real account, because I actually do not respect traders that on YouTube say, for example, with this strategy I've made $5,500 this week, right? How about you show us your actual account, how much you're working with, and then we'll see if it's impressive or not. Because if you've got 2 million in your account and you've made 5,000 this week with this strategy, it's not very impressive, is it? So yeah, I'm gonna show you an account that I started with today in the morning, 15 euros, and where it is at the end of the day. That will be a bit more impressive than your 5,500 this week with a 5 million account. Yeah. Well, I guess it was a good choice to open that, but wait, anything could happen. At this zone, it might bounce back up. I assume it might do a little break and retest, but then again, this is 1 minute time frame, and it doesn't always do a retest on this kind of time frame. It doesn't always do a retest full stop. Okay, so that short was a good call, but I haven't set it on break even yet, nor have I closed it, of course, because it might drop some more. I'm expecting it to drop at least to this zone, 360. I think I will close it at 360. I won't wait for take profit, but let's see what happens, because it pretty much touched that order block, so I'm not sure if it will drop, if it will go up a bit more. It's broken out of that channel. Yeah, I'll wait a few more minutes. I might close this while it's still in profit. I'm removing the sell limit. It's Friday evening. There's no point to keep doing this. I'm gonna set this on break even. I haven't taken any profit from it. Ooh, shit. Moved it. I'll adjust in a second. But yeah, let's see how it reacts to this bearish order block. It might be like a little retest. If not, I guess the position is getting closed. Okay, so yes, touch that bearish order block. And don't forget, this is 1 minute. It doesn't really have huge reactions most of the time. So I haven't set break even, but once it goes above it, just in case it spikes and retests the zone or whatnot, I will close it with a little bit of loss. I guess I won't let it keep going up, and we'll call it a day. Go get drunk. As I said, I draw a lot of channels, as you can see, and they do work. Now, people say, yeah, don't do this, don't do that, don't do what everyone does. No, this is exactly what you need to do. There's a thing called self-fulfilling prophecy. That means if we all do exactly what we know and we all do the same thing, we will push the price in that direction. So if we all can see that is bearish, right? There's a bearish channel and we all sell, it will go down. If we see a bullish channel and we all buy, it will go up. Of course, unless someone with 14 trillion under the management gets involved, BlackRock, yeah, then of course we're not going to push them. But yeah, self-fulfilling prophecy, guys. Don't look for some secret niche to be the best trader in the world. Just be a trader with a plan, with set rules, and you will make money. Well, what a good decision not to wait for the take profit on Nasdaq, eh? That was brilliant. It was enough anyway. So many points, 400 points in what, 1 hour, 1 hour and a half. Can't complain. Can't wait for all the money in the world. You will never make it. And yeah, Bitcoin's flew. Whoa. And gold is still dropping. How long for? Who knows? The trade's on break even now. So yeah, keeping this open for fun, for sport, as I like to say. Let's see where it goes. It might not go anywhere really, but it might drop, because after this kind of push it has to drop some. There's no great news for gold, nor is there any bad news for gold. Well, realistically said, he'll be cutting rates, so if anything it should drop. He pushed for manipulation probably. But yeah, I'll come back to this in a little while. I'm done with it for today. Well, hello there. Anyway, so this is how that trade went, and yeah, never hit my break even. I nearly did. I was at a concert, village concert anyway. I closed the trade I opened another one actually while at the concert on the play account, of course. And yeah, I closed about here somewhere, or here, wherever. I closed in profit basically. And the moral of the story is you don't have to have a lot of money in the account to make money, right? As long as you stay consistent, you follow the rules, and you know what you're doing, you study enough, you will make money. Some days you will have losing days, and other days, most days, if you know what you're doing, you will have winning days. Now, yeah, so this is how today went. It's not too bad, to be honest. Anyway, we'll have some more videos next week. And today was meant to be a liquidity grab video. As I said, this is all natural, organic. I'm not trying to push something that's not happening. As I explained, I was aiming for a short on Nasdaq. Next thing, it turned into something else, a monster of a trade, right? 400 points on Nasdaq in about an hour and a half, 2 hours. That's a monster. So yeah, follow our channel, follow, subscribe, like, comment, and join the Telegram channel, because you will see a lot of these trades. Plus, you can join our affiliate link on Vantage Brokers, Vantage Markets, and you'll be invited to the VIP group if you want to follow signals and you know somewhat what you're doing in Forex, because this is not as easy as other people say, that you will get rich quick and just follow our signals. It will take 15 minutes, e.g. Trading Vision or Paul the Gold Hunter Trader asshole. Yeah, it doesn't work like that. These guys make money whether you win or lose. So if you want to lose and make the money, so if you want to lose money, go ahead, follow these guys. You'll make them money. You will lose money, you'll make the money. If you make money, you make the money. They do not give a flying fuck what you do, because they will make money. Do you understand? Especially with Trading Vision. oh, this channel is toxic. How can I put it another way? On not Instagram, Facebook, right? They put out their flashy videos, ads, and whatnot, and it looks amazing. Some of them looks like Wolf of Wall Street and whatnot. Look at their comments, right? Now, any person that's commenting positive about their trades, and there's hundreds of comments, right? Have a look at their comments. Have a look at the person that's commenting. How many friends do they have? Now, if someone that's commenting on their ad has 2, 3 friends, now come on, do I have to tell you that that's not a real person? It's a bot, right? And there's hundreds of them. Now, when someone gives you a signal of a stop loss on, say for example, you're going along on Bitcoin, right? It's telling you to go along on Bitcoin, and the stop loss, the entry point is 16,000, say 116,000. The stop loss is 100,000, right? So the entry is 116,000. The stop loss is 100,000. Take profit 1 is 116,100. Take profit 2 is 116,200. Take profit 3, 4, a few hundred points above. Does that sound like a realistic trade to you? Okay. Fair enough. And I've commented on a few of the ads saying it's a scam, it's a scam. People, learn before you start following this nonsense, right? My comments get deleted. Now, what does that tell you? Now, yeah, that guy seems real great in the ads and the videos. He's just a marketer. He's very good at what he does. I must say, he'll probably sell you a pen without you needing it. But yeah, you're not going to make money following their signals. That's for sure. A good signal provider is Sunny. Yeah, whoever he is. If you want to find him, you'll find him. Anyway, hats off to him. He does his thing well. But yeah. So now, soon, within a week or two, I'm going to have a copier system on Vantage Markets. So you can connect to my account, one of my accounts. And before you connect, you can see the growth, the percentage, weekly, monthly, so on and so forth. And I will earn 15% from your profit, right? And we'll make profit every week, every month. Yeah. I hope you join. I hope you subscribe, follow, comment, like, and make money with us. Have a good evening, because I will.